welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm going to be doing this Pink Pips hexagon, which is the last hexagon of this latest batch, and it's from book 49 of Big and Little Crochet, which is a fab book. Some of my recent videos you'll see where I've reviewed these books already. Right, so I'm going to make a start. We need the petrol yarn for this one and the 4mm hook, and so we're going to make a magic ring. I'll just follow this pattern as we go along. For anybody who's not been here before, if you look back at my playlists, you'll find lots more information about Big and Little, what it is and what I'm actually doing and why I'm doing it. So we need 3 chains, and then we put 11 trebles into the ring. This is in UK terms, so that's a double in US. So yarn over into the ring, pull a loop up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That first chain 3 is a standing chain to get us up to the height of a treble crochet, and it counts the stitch. So effectively, once we put 11 treble crochet in, we will have 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. So I'm going to pull that straggler to pull it into a circle, and then I'm going to put a slip stitch in the top of the chain 3 just to finish off that circle. Now I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to put a treble in the same stitch, so yarn over into that same stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to do a 2 treble cluster. A 2 treble cluster is just that, it's just yarn over into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and then pull through all that are left on your hook, and then a chain, and then a 2 treble cluster in the next stitch, chain, 2 treble cluster in the next stitch, and a chain, and I'm just going to do that all the way around. Okay. And then we're just going to join with a slip stitch to the top of that first chain 3. And then the next one we're going to, we're going to fasten this colour off now, just for now, but we will use it again. And now we're going to join the rose, which is this pale pink, between any 3 treble group. So we'll pop it in here, and we'll join that in there, and then we're going to do 1 chain, and then we're going to do 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. That first chain acted like a single crochet, or a double in UK terms, and then between the next 3 group you just do a double crochet, which is a single in US terms, and then chain 4, and then do a single crochet, double, and then chain 4, and oops, just a crochet in between that group, of 3. It's a very simple pattern as well, very quick. In between the group of 3. Very quick. And this is what will give you those little pips, because the 4 chains are going to be covered really by petrol yarn. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch into that first chain and finish off. And then what we're going to do is we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 2 trebles. 1, 2, that's a double in the US. I'm going to do 2 chains and 3 trebles. 1, 2, and 3. And what that's done is that's given us a corner. So then we do 3 trebles in the next space. 2 and 3. And then we do 3 trebles, 2 chains, 3 trebles in the next to give us another corner. Okay. And then in the next we do 3 trebles, and then we just join with a slip stitch to the top of that chain 3, and we fasten off, because we're just going to finish with a little round of double crochets in the blush yarn or the rose yarn. So we're going to join this to any chain 2 space. We're going to do a double crochet, which is a single crochet in the US, and then we're just going to single crochet all the way across in every stitch to the corner, and then I'm assuming when we get to the corner we're going to do 2 double crochet, a chain 1 and 2 double crochet to just keep our corner nice and sharp. And this is what you do to edge your hexagons as well. Oh, 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet. That's going to be how it goes all around the edges. Okay, so just carry on like that all the way around to give it that lovely pink delicate edge that just matches with those little pips on the inside. And then for the end of this, then just want to put 1 double crochet in the end, chain 2, and just join to the top of that slip stitch and finish off. And that's it. Very, very simple and straightforward. As I said, it's not meant to be a tutorial, it's more of a crochet along. It's really pretty, and that's all of the last 4 done now. I'll just show you them all so you can see all 4 of them. And my last books, so I'm just going to sew in all the stragglers. but there they are, all ready to go in the next section of the throw. So thank you for joining me, and I am going to do a couple of projects from these books because I've seen a couple I really love. So do check back for those when I get around to doing them, and until then, take care. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye.